can't be a bigger betrayal than this for the Hindu devotees. The scam and theft at one of the most revered temples in the country, the Sabrimala temple, is brazen and outrageous. Even as the country was shocked over the details of the gold theft and the temple, even the idol still busy, believe it or not, in pilfering away money. That's right, after the gold scam, it is the ghee scam. The Kerala government has noted the inspection that revealed that during the period from 17th of November 2025 to the 26th of December, and then after that as well, as much as 35 lakh rupees has not been filed, which means it has been siphoned off. The report that the vigilance inspection revealed is that the records were maintained in a careless and irregular manner. The objective is to facilitate the siphoning of the funds. The Kerala High Court has now taken a note of this and has also spoken up, saying action must be taken. Meanwhile, the BJP will also be conducting the Sabrimala Samarakshana Jyoti protest in over 10,000 houses and other locations as well. But let's get you what are the key betrayals that we have seen time and again that has come in the case of Sabrimala as well. 4.5 kgs of gold being taken away from the temple. That's a big betrayal that has come in for the devotees. On the other hand, we also have officials who had even marked the gold as copper to facilitate this theft. So it is very clear that the officials were also responsible. Apart from that, in the ghee scam as well, receipts were not given. The money was being siphoned off by the officials. And this is an acknowledgement that has come in from the court, that such large-scale theft is not really possible without the officials being aware of it. Do Sabrimala devotees who come in from across the country and the world really deserve this? Because you also have the arrest of a CPIM leader that shows that there has been a political nexus as well. The chief priest also being brought in, also unacceptable, as people have been talking about.
After Sabrimala gold loot, now it is Sabrimala ghee loot. The embezzlement that has been done in just a short period of time, less than 2 months, in the sale of ghee has been called out by the Kerala High Court. And the Kerala High Court has called it a systematic and deep-rooted failure and has come down heavily at the TDV.
My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast. And Arpita, today is a very, very important day because it's also the day of Makarvalka. It's a day very important for the Ayyappa devotees. But unfortunately, even on the eve of such a day, you have details of a new scam. Take us through the details of why the devotees of Ayyappa are feeling betrayed.
Well, Pratibha, there seems to be no end to the scams in Sabrimala. After the gold theft scam, now a new scam has been pointed out by the Kerala High Court, that is the ghee scam, where Kerala High Court has clearly pulled up the Devasam board for not mentioning about 35 lakh record of the ghee sale. Now what the court has said is, this clearly says that officials are involved in this. This cannot be done without the knowledge of officials. In fact, court has also pointed out that there has been no proper handing over. When a shift gets over, the person sitting at the counter is not giving proper handover to the next person coming into the shift of the stock that is left with them for the ghee sale. So that also has resulted in carelessness, and court has pulled up the Devasam board for this, asking that what is the reason for this, for not recording such a huge amount of sale of ghee. And also High Court has asked vigilance team to probe the matter and has asked to form a special investigating team with all senior officials, and has asked to give the report directly to the High Court, because again High Court suspects that there will be top officials to all levels of officials, and therefore it is necessary that the High Court is involved in this investigation. Now this also comes on the day when it's Magara Jyoti. Magara Jyoti is when at Sabrimala a divine light is lit up every year on 14th of January, which the devotees, Sabrimala devotees, believe is the presence of Ayyappa, Lord Ayyappa.
Okay, all right. Arpita, thank you for joining us with those details.